Hello crafters, this is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I wanted to share with you my Kat Scrappiness haul. Yeah, I took advantage of her extra 15% off Memorial Day sale, so let's get started. Alrighty crafters, I got a few little bit of goodies from Kat Scrappiness. Some things I saw, and then some things are new. She has a new release, so I decided to treat myself to one or two goodies. The 15% did not apply to the new stuff, but everything else. Plus, she had afterpay. I tell you, that afterpay, that 4 flex pay option, yeah, made everything even more attractive. Alrighty, so first up, let me start off with the bigger dies, with the dies that I'm most excited about. This beach set, which, okay, I will link everything below because this doesn't have a name, but it's like a beach accessory set. Super cute. And the photograph, it looks this small. Obviously, this is much bigger than what's shown, which is nice. The ball, let's say 2¼ inch. The base here, this is 5 inches wide. So that's a nice little bit that you can do for sand. Love, love, love that popsicle. The popsicle, that is 2 5/8 by 1, and this is 2 pieces. So right here there's a cut line, so you can just snip the edges, and you can do, you know, you can do chocolate here, maybe little popsicle stick, and then do some other color, you know, make your popsicles look like fudge or etc. I assume that's a sun. This is a beach bag or a bucket, but where's the I have to look. I'm not sure if that goes with this. I'll look. This now gives you, you know, texture in here. That's a cute little piece to have, actually, to help your waves and your sand and everything have a little movement, or a spot to tuck in when you have a solid piece like this. You can drop this into the die cut piece. Cut this first, then put this on top, and then you'll have a little strip cut in here with the stitching. That's kind of cool. The little flip-flops, love a good flip-flop. 2 3/4, let's say by 1. There's a flip-flop, what do they call this, tongue, you know, the flip-flop accessory part. A ball, yeah, okay, I have to figure out this too. The starfish. But it's cute, it's cute. And even the ball, I can nip this and then create different, or maybe this goes, no, that's too big for the top of the ball, but figure something with that. That's round. That's the easiest thing to figure. Okay, next up, here's a little stamp and die set. This now I was able to apply the 15%, and it was already marked down. This has the little sandcastle, which I don't have any type of sandcastle thing to help with my beach. Along with me doing the farm, now I'm also doing the beach. I'm getting it all ready, you know, can have the mermaid on the beach, mermaid in the water, this out on the beach with the land. I think this is adorable. The little shells and everything, these are photopolymer stamps. And then the coordinating die wasn't a bad price either. But, no, well, I didn't need it for these, but I have difficulty cutting those corners right here. When I go like this, freehand, it just, ooh, fussy cutting. Then this is her beach set here with this is called a quokka. Some little cute critter, but it's, I believe, if you look on her website, I believe this is from Australia. If it's not Australia, was it Costa Rica? It was some little animal, and his name a quokka, Quokkas. And she makes a whole series of her own Kat Scrappiness stamps based off of this quokka, who is doing the hula on the beach here, hanging out, surfing. That tiki hut, that's cute. You pop that tiki hut like here, and you get that whole perspective distance thing. So these two can work very well together, along with this. And then mini slimline. I had this in my cart on Kat Scrappiness forever. This is a torn edge mini slimline. I really like the look of it, and because of the sizing, this size is 5 3/4 by 3 1/4. I can use this as labels on Halloween mini albums. That's what I can use this for. This can be used on a multitude of things just beyond making slimline cards, because it makes, at this size, it's great labels and just adds that texture. Now this is from her new release. This is Sending Paper Hugs. And why I like this so much, I do have a paper hugs that I got from Simon Says. It didn't have the background. Sometimes, you know, if you're sticking a label, word die on top of a background that's like this, it's hard to see. You can easily get more visual effect of your word dies by having the outline. So Sending Paper Hugs is nice. That's for like your Happy Meal type stuff. Happy Summer, super cute. I have nothing like this. I have Happy separate, Summer separate, but I didn't have them together. So I think that's a genius set. And the price point wasn't that bad either. Hello, My Crafty Friend. Now I have a Hello, My Crafty Friend. Didn't have the shadow and wasn't this size. This is a good size for slimline cards. 4 3/4, 2 1/4. Super, super, super cute with a nice font. Also, I told you that she carries other brands. When I was looking around at the other brands, because you know, with the Afterpay, I was like, well, I can look around a little bit. Like she has some Lawn Fawn, not a lot, and she has some. Everything is like, you know, I guess because she stocks her store, and you know, it's not easy if you're a small business like that to have 900 pieces of one company. So I can understand why she may not carry everything Lawn Fawn, everything Newton's Nook. So this is a 6x6 stencil. I love it with the hearts, and got the 15% off of that. Also got 15% off of this Scripty Thank You with the shadow. Solid, super duper duper cute. And here, this rainbow, I had this saved in my Kat Scrappiness wish list. It was on sale, I believe, and then also put that 15. Cute. I'm having a rainbow moment. I don't know. I'm just so into the rainbows. And I did pick up one Lawn Fawn thing from her. This is something I've been looking at since last year. Since last year. I know. And it's like, what, 8-9 months later? All of a sudden it's like, okay, yes. But, you know, it was there, and then plus the extra 15, it helped. And this, it makes you put your critters, and it does a nice scene. I've seen so many examples. There's a ton of examples from Lawn Fawn about how to use this with the trees, their little squirrels, the cuteness overload. Then this is her ocean scene building die set in the A2 size. 4 1/4, 5 1/2. So this is full size card front. So here we have the frame. Here, this could either be water, sand, water, water, sand again, like water, water. She has many examples of this done by her design team. So you can always refer back to her site if you get this and you're like, wait a second. That's a cute idea, Suzanne, but I have no clue. When I do cut it, if it's something that I think, okay, guys, maybe we need to break it down a little bit, I probably would do a video on this, because I love this kind of stuff, though. This kind of scene building, and it looks very straightforward and cute. It's not like, all over the place like that one that I got from Mama Elephant last year. Oh, that was a depressing set. Depressing scene building set. I was like, why didn't you work out as I thought you would have? Anyway, and the last one I got, this is also available in slimline size. To be honest with you guys, I got the A2 was more straightforward. The slimline just didn't look, I don't know. I was on the fence with it. I'm like, okay, maybe another time. Maybe when she has a 20% off or something, then I'll go back and take a look at it. But I just was like deciding between the two. I decided to go with the A2 size instead of the slimline. But because I said it, I will link it below. And then I did get one of her slimline. I had shown you that I had this fancy scallop edge in the mini. That's the mini slimline. You've seen me use this. It's right here beside me, so that's why I always pull it out. But I liked it. I didn't think I would like it. I liked it in the mini, and I was like, all right, let me try it in the regular slimline. And this, of course, was 48% off already, marked down. I believe if it's not $19.99, then it's $17.99 plus the additional 15. Yeah. So I'm happy I got that. This size slimline, oops, I don't know what that is. This size slimline is 3 1/4 by 8 1/4. So this will be a little bit shorter on a 3 1/2 by 8 1/2 slimline card, but super cute. And that's it from my awesome Kat Scrappiness haul. So I got a little bit of Lawn Fawn, a little bit of Newton's Nook, just 2, and then a lot of Kat Scrappiness. I tell you, she really does make nice solid dies, and I do appreciate her word die sets. I have from her a Hooray. I have I believe there's a Happy Birthday. There's even a Mother's Day from her that's like really nice, and comes with the shadow. Love that outline die. And this, I think, is a nice little comprehensive set. Alrighty, crafters. Just wanted to share with you my little Memorial Day haul from Kat Scrappiness. And when she has another sale, yes, I'll let you know. Just in case you didn't take advantage this time, take advantage another time. A lot of her mini slimline, though, are sold out. So just keep that in mind. But her regular size, that's in stock. So if you've been wanting to, get a good set, but not want to spend a lot of money, check out her full line of slimline dies, because that's bang for your buck. Alrighty, guys, on to the next video. Stay crafty, my friends. Bye.